carrot rice soup casserole or cumin carrot rice soup bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes and one of the most unique of the soup bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot soup recipes. We're going to make cumin carrot rice soup. We have taken around 100 grams of carrot and around 100 grams of brown rice. Ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic sauteings. Put in the garlic leaves. Sauce the garlic leaves. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. saute. Thoroughly saute this. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt. Put in 2 spoons of cumin. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Carrot seeds on the rice. Salt. Basmati. Pour in around 200 ml water. Mix. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a quarter spoon of chili powder. Mix and let this mixture cook for 25 minutes in the casserole. After cooking for the required time, put in the curry leaves on top as toppings. Let it cook for a minute. Cumin, carrot, rice soup casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Cumin, carrot, rice soup casserole or cumin carrot rice soup bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.